What's up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dave and this is footage from the GBB only event at Airsoft Operations in Brandenburg, Germany. You might asking yourself, why is GBB only a thing and what are GBB rifles anyway? I don't want to bore you with the details, but GBB only stands for gas blowback. This means the guns are powered by gas and have a blowback system to simulate the recoil of a real gun. GBB rifles are usually more authentic to their real counterpart than an AEG rifle. The charging handle and the bolt catch has a real function, and even the magazine capacity is limited to the real counterpart. So you have a much more realistic experience than using an AEG gun. But this comes with a downside. GBB rifles usually aren't reliable as an HBA gun or an AEG gun. Besides that, the parts and the additional equipment for it are more expensive, and you are limited to play only on the hot days. For that reasons, guns like this are more for the enthusiasts and not for the performance player. And in the Airsoft community there are a lot of these enthusiasts, who created a small little sub-community in the community. And sadly, the gas blowback only events are pretty rare in Germany. The most fields I know only have one or two over the year.
Haben die... Willst hier durch?
For that reason I'm usually pretty excited when I have the opportunity to visit a gas blowback only event. The most players I met on this day are really hard geeks in a positive way. And that felt much more fair and compared to a regular skirm day. No crazy tuned HBA guns with 100 rounds high cap magazine. Every time somebody shoots, he will make a loud noise, and every BB counts. But sadly, I couldn't capture a lot of footage on this day. Mother Nature wasn't on my side. You will see in the end how a beautiful summer storm can look like in Germany.
Oh, jetzt kommt's gleich.
We already knew that the weather conditions can change on this day, and the forest can be a pretty dangerous place during a storm. Getting hit by a big piece of wood isn't a pleasant experience.
Was? Was? Warum hat er gerade Spielende gerufen? Was? Wir haben schon gedacht, ihr wartet bis der Sturm einbricht, damit ihr episch im Regen angreifen könnt.
I know, not the most excited video I ever made, but I couldn't capture a lot of footage. My main goal for this video is more to motivate other field owners to make gas blowback only events, although for the fields who already made one, to make them more frequently. But I would still appreciate it when you subscribe and hit the like button, especially when you're interested in gas blowback. I will make more content of these rifles in the near future. Thank you for watching until the end. This was Simple Dave, I'm out.
Ah, Regen.